In this video, I'll show you how to link a bank account to Cash App without a debit card. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. On the home screen, look at the bottom left and tap on the bank icon, also called the Banking tab. Here, you'll see your Cash App balance and some options below it. Look for the button that says Link Bank or Linked Accounts and tap on it. If you haven't added a bank account before, the app will ask you to add one. Tap on the option to link a bank account. Next, you'll be asked to select your bank from a list. You can either scroll to find your bank or use the search bar at the top. Once you select your bank, Cash App will ask you to sign in to your online banking. This step is safe and secure, and it allows Cash App to connect to your bank account without needing a debit card. Enter your online banking username and password, just like you do when checking your balance on your bank's website. Follow the prompts to give Cash App permission to connect, and your bank account will be linked. And that's how to link your bank account to Cash App without a debit card.